Dead batteries killing your night? Celestron PowerTank Lithium Iron Phosphate. 100% real 15-hour proof inside. Ever had your mount suddenly slew to the horizon at 3 a.m. because the battery died right in the middle of a perfect imaging run? I have. Last winter, -10 degrees Celsius, middle of nowhere, and my old lead-acid tank gave up after 4 hours. Scope frozen, session ruined, pride destroyed. Drop "been there" in the comments if you've felt that exact pain. That sinking feeling when the voltage starts dropping, the mount begins jerking, guiding goes red, and you know the night is over. You're cold, tired, miles from anywhere, carrying dead weight that cost you the very data you drove hours to get. Imagine never having to feel that icy panic again. Ever. Then I discovered the Celestron PowerTank Lithium Iron Phosphate almost by accident while looking for something airline-safe. 86.4 watt-hours of lithium iron phosphate magic that weighs only 2.2 pounds, lighter than my water bottle. It delivers rock-solid 12 volts all the way down, powers my advanced VX mount, 2 dew heaters, guide camera, and Asiair for 12 to 15 hours straight, even at 15 degrees Fahrenheit. The digital readout tells you exactly how much you have left. No more guessing games. Last month at a star party, everyone else's mounts shut down around 2 a.m. from the cold. Mine still tracking perfectly at sunrise with 2 bars remaining. One guy actually walked over and asked if I was running off a generator because that's impossible on a battery that small. That's the superpower. Clean, silent, stupidly reliable power that simply refuses to die when you need it most. 2 years and over 70 nights later, mine still shows 100% capacity on the tester, 0 degradation. A friend who reviews gear for a major astronomy magazine told me, "I've killed every other field battery I've owned in under 3 seasons. This lithium iron phosphate tank is the first one that's actually outlasting my scopes." Another imager I know in Colorado runs his full rig at high altitude all winter. He's on night 312 and says it still performs like day one. Yes, it costs more up front than the old lead-acid bricks, but when you divide it by 2,000 plus cycles and 0 ruined sessions, it's actually the cheapest power I've ever owned. No maintenance, no off-gassing, no 15-pound anchor in your trunk. Just grab it and go. Tell me in the comments, what would you finally image if you knew your power would never, ever let you down again? If you're ready to stop gambling your nights on dying batteries and start collecting photons like a pro, the Celestron PowerTank Lithium Iron Phosphate is the last field power source you'll ever need. Thousands of serious imagers and visual observers have already made the switch and will never go back. The link is in the description. Yes, it's an affiliate link, full disclosure. Grab one, charge it once, and go have the best season of your life. Stay till the end for a bonus cold weather tip that'll squeeze even more runtime out of it. See you under the stars.